What are you doing?
Trying to get it right.
What colour is the sky?
Well,
It's a little bit orange.
we're so excited, but Daddy's birthday in the morning, and it's already morning. Turn on the lights and wake up everybody and stuff like that, because he wanted to miss his birthday. So yeah, a kite's orange, and this side is rainbow, this side's orange, and yeah, but it's but oh yeah, yeah, and we reached campsite. So as you know, we reached campsite. Well, keep hearing me. And we reached campsite, and a beach is right over there. Water's orange, cause the kite's orange. And this side is like way. And yeah. It's already morning.
Goodbye.
Hey.
Wave. It is our first morning in Lucky Bay, and we've spotted our first kangaroo.
Oh, Kiara. I don't play with him all day. I see him hot. Mr. Kangaroo. Don't touch his tail.
It's okay.
So cute and fluffy. Koala, crocodile, kangaroo, Kiara to come to Bango. Bango's just resting.
So what are you doing here?
Checking Bango to whip of water. Raining.
Do you want a chair?
I would appreciate a chair. Hello, Louie. Is that fresh green grass out of here? I think he needs help. I need to offer him more stuff. To make the noise there. Alright. Hi, kangaroo. Hi, kangaroo.
So today we're actually leaving Cape Legrand National Park, and we're going to go to Esperance and see a few things that aren't in a national park. So we're going to go and see Pink Lake, even though it's not pink anymore, and Twilight Beach and the Esperance foreshore, and we're just going to kind of see where the day ends up.
Our last stop was at Twilight Beach to go for a swim. It is renowned for its pristine white sand and crystal clear turquoise waters. The beach is lined with granite rocks and features a backdrop of sand dunes, creating a breathtaking and idyllic coastal landscape. It is considered one of the most beautiful beaches in the Esperance area. The beach gets its name from the mesmerizing twilight colours that paint the sky during the sunset.
finished up at Twilight Beach. That was really cool. That was a really nice beach, and I completely understand why it's famous. And then we went along. We didn't realize there was an 11-mile beach, a 10-mile lagoon, and a 9-mile beach. We saw the 9 and the 10-mile, but we didn't see the 11-mile. They seem quite wavy. I think the 10-mile lagoon is supposed to be where it's a good place to swim because, you know, it's sheltered. So now we're just driving past Pink Lake now. It's not pink, but it is this kind of like whitish color, but we don't know where. We're just trying to find somewhere where we can get a good view.
It's not pink anymore because of the increased salt concentrations combined with the decreasing water levels from evaporation during summer triggers the appearance of the pink hue that can be seen in lakes across the country.
Someone must have put some sugar water down for the bees. Look. Oh, what is... Something for the bees. Oh no, they're all over me, Dale. Come save me. They're on the back of my leg.
Yep.
Yeah, one's on me.
Standing beside a cup of bees. Literally. A cup of bees.
Wait, there's one on your back. Yep, go.
Now, beast.
You're recording, I hear you.
Okay. My tank just blew.